So it's kind of ironic that within your question lives the answer to your question. You said at the start of that you listen to this podcast, it gives you value and it's helped you. That's the reason why I get out of bed in the morning. Purpose. And so for me, the thing that drives me in any sort of discipline or pursuit or ambition or hobby that I have, it's very, very simple. And I've said this many times before. It has to be a worthwhile goal that it's challenging, that I can pursue with people I love. And what you said about how this podcast has helped you is the reason it's worthwhile to me. Of course it's challenging. It takes tons of my time. The production takes a lot of effort, but it's a worthwhile challenge. So it's one worth pursuing. And lastly, I get to do it with people that I actually love. And that's just a real fundamental thing about human beings, because you can be pursuing a goal that means the world to you, a goal you love, a goal that feels incredibly worthwhile and meaningful. But if you're doing it with people that are toxic in a toxic environment, it then becomes unworthwhile. It loses its enjoyment. And the people you're pursuing a goal with are intrinsically attached to the motivation to pursue it. So the thing that gets me out of bed and the prism in which I make my decisions through in my life is this a worthwhile goal? Worthwhile is totally subjective. It's how it makes you feel inside here. Is it a challenge? Because the science says if something isn't challenging you, your motivation will decline. And are you doing it? Are you pursuing it surrounded by people you love? That'll make it a way more enjoyable, way more sustainable pursuit. Thank you for all of your questions. And if you want to put a question to me, the details on how to do that are down below in the description.